Hello guys and welcome to Zim Trend Daily. So in some devastating news, Chillmaster was involved in a car accident. So according to his post here, post kwa page pabo, this is post here, post kwa confirm the circulating news that circulated on social media. So in his post he said pafiwa nemuntu wa. So in this post he was confirming the incident with the incident yaitika and reassure one life has been lost, and anga promise cooperate zvese family and also the police, which is actually some good news, because you need to cooperate than kungorova munhu then ubvawatiza. And so according to a lot of news circulate, papa chinzi mota yanga achitravhela nayo naChillmaster ndo yarova munhu, so munhu iye abva afira pasport. That is according to my sources are social media. So this is another picture yemota yacho yanga ichinzi yavaita nayo accident. So it's actually a sad moment for Chillmaster at this moment. So we are sending our condolences to the victims, family, and also our prayers to Chillmaster. She stay strong. These things is not going to happen. My accident do happen. So please don't forget to subscribe.